welcome everyone. Today I'll show you how you can add your daily dev card to your GitHub profile. We will see this in two different ways, one manually and one using a GitHub action to make it update that automatically. So let's get started. I'll use this article that I updated. We will have a link in description, no worries. And let's see, first of all, how it looks. So we have a picture here. I have my name and some numbers here, my reputation points, post read, the tags, this color. We will see that we can customize it, okay? So the first step is to go to this link, https://app.daily.dev/devcard. And this will lead you to your personal dev card, based, of course, on your daily dev profile. So I'll copy paste this here. I already have it. Okay, and I see this. And this is the new and shiny dev card. We also use this tag, so hashtag dev card. And we have a vertical and horizontal format. This is new. We never had this horizontal format so far. And let's see what's here on the right. Show off your daily dev activity easily. Okay. Embed the dev card on your GitHub profile. We'll use this one. But before using this, let's take a look around. We have this copy code. We have this download X cover image. So for example, if I click here, I can download a header that then I can use for Twitter. Let me see. This one. It looks very nice, okay? But this is for X, and we need to update our banner, I would say. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the dev card. Okay, let's go back on the vertical format. We have this download dev card button, but before we download it, I want to show you something. Check here. Yes, we have themes. So usually, if it's the first time of you checking this dev card, you'll probably have something like this. You have this white background, like theme background, I would say. Then, based on your reputation points, you can switch and use different themes. Okay, we have this black one. This is sort of orange, brown, or copper. Silver, gold. What is this? Emerald. What is this? Purple. And this is, I don't know, the legendary vibes. Okay. And it's nice. And of course, since I have 10K reputation points, I didn't cheat, by the way. I'll use this one. Let's say the best theme, the last version of the theme. Now, for the background here, you can use this default one with these daily dev icons, or you can click here and use your profile cover. Okay. Something else, we can customize the profile border. We can, if you like this white thing, you can leave it. Otherwise, you can do this without the border. For example, in this case, with this default cover image, usually I use the border. So because my blue is very similar to this one. Okay. Important, if you want to save this setup, you need to click save. Otherwise, you'll lose all the updates here. So you can click save. Nice. Now, before we add this to our GitHub profile, you can simply download it. Okay. So I can click here and I can simply download it and share it basically wherever I want. So here. Okay. This is a picture, and I can share it on social media, we can put it wherever we want. We can put it on our Twitter banner. We can put it wherever we want. And now let's see how we can add this to our GitHub profile page. How can we do that? Let's go on our GitHub profile, and I think that some of us already know what a GitHub profile is. A GitHub profile is basically something to have something like this. Is to have a personalized overview on our GitHub account. Otherwise, I'll have just, you see, the repositories and my contributions. Okay, so for example, in this case, I personalized my GitHub profile like this. It was more complicated some time ago. Now I simplified it. But let's see how we can add our DevCard to our GitHub profile. First of all, we need this thing, this overview. How can we have this? We need to create a repository that has the same name of our GitHub username. In my case, my GitHub username is Francesco XX. So if I create a repository called Francesco XX, we'll discover this secret. Can you see here? Francesco XX / Francesco XX is a special repository. Its readme.md will appear on your profile, public profile. And you can see here, I already played around with this. And for example, here I have this that shows the YouTube videos and dev.to articles. Okay, nice. Now to showcase our DevCard, super simple. We go here on our daily dev account, embed, and they made our life too super easy, to be honest. Click here, copy code. I go on the GitHub profile. I literally paste it here, like this. Preview. Let's commit the changes. And let's see if this does look. Okay, this does work. Okay, nice. So now the cool part. So we will use a GitHub Action to update our DevCard automatically. Huge shout out to Hula Martin. We decided to make this amazing GitHub Action for us. Let's see how we can do it. We are almost there. It's not complicated, but I want to show you the step-by-step process. First of all, I want to remove the existing one. Otherwise, this might be confusing. Usually I put it here. Okay, so commit. Okay, so I removed the existing one, of course. Of course, if you want, you can just create this one. Okay, so which are the steps? I'm here. I click at the action button in this Francesco XX / Francesco XX repository. And here I have GitHub Actions. Here is trying to do something because I removed the existing DevCard. So we can click here on new workflow. And we can choose something, but usually I click here, set up a workflow yourself. Something like this. Okay. Usually I rename this one. Since I already have some workflows here, I will call this like live DevCard. Okay. And now we need to fill something here. No worries, because in the article, which linked in the description, I put you exactly what you need to add here. Okay. We have this .yml file, daily DevCard. We are using an updated version. It's version 3 here. Before we were using version 2. So let me copy this part and let's add it here. Okay. I hope you can see it. Okay. Something like this. You can see we have the secrets.userid. We'll see this soon. But for now, we can just commit these changes here. So now basically we created a workflow called live DevCard. I already have many other examples because I tried this multiple times, but you should have one .yml file here. You can call it main, you can call it DevCard, depending on how many GitHub Action workflows you have in your repository. So we will have this one. Nice. One more step. Now we need to get our user ID for the DevCard, because all the users, they have a different user ID. to get your user ID is super easy. You go here on app.daily.dev/devcard. Can you see here? We have let me make it bigger. Can you see it? I hope yes. I hope you can see it. Here we can see src https api.daily.dev/devcards v2, and then we have this code before the .png file. So we can copy this, and now let's go on GitHub. On francescaxx/francescaxx repository. Of course, you will have your GitHub username here. And here in the settings, you can click on the secrets and variables actions. And here you should see something like this. Now, I already have a user ID, but if you don't have it here, you can click on new repository secret. As a secret name, you put user ID, and here you can copy paste your user ID that you got from the DevCard page here. Okay, so I'm going back here because I already have it. You can see here, and once you click OK, you should have something like this. I did this yesterday. Okay, so this is to have your secret on the this is to have your secret stored here. Nice. We're almost done. We can now copy this part. We'll have this in the article. Let's go here. In the README, edit it. And let's copy this again. Okay, nice. Before we commit here, I want to do something. I want to read one more article on DailyDev. We can read this one. This is a video. Let's take this one. Sending my respect to Next.js and Vercel. Okay. I want to basically trigger just one more red article. It also looks interesting, okay, by Mark Grabansky. Okay, I want to check if this changed my... okay, so this changed. You see, now it's 855. Let's go here on the GitHub readme.md, and let's click commit changes. Okay, so let's commit the changes here. Nice. Nothing happened, but if we go on the action here, something is already happening. I have multiple workflows because I tried this multiple times. I think in your case, you should have just one. And the workflow should be this one. So live devcard.yml. Just to be sure, I want to rerun all the jobs here. Let's see. This can be a bit tricky. Sometimes the DevCard is cached, but in a matter of like hours or maybe the next day, you'll have the updated one. Let's go back here. And it's not shown. Perfect. This worked like every time, except this one. Let me see what's the issue here. No, I think I copy-pasted the wrong one here. Okay, let me go back here on the... No, it's this one, sorry. So to update the README, we should use this one. So to update the GitHub readme.md, we should use this other one. So let's remove this. Let's update this one because the DevCard GitHub Action works with this path. Okay, so let's commit the change. My bad. And now it works. Okay, now we have this updated.